Alright, greetings everybody. It's your boy Rasta Thomas. This is the Negro Network. Alright, so I'd make a video the other day, start getting back into my juicing, that kind of stuff, all that good stuff for the movement. And juice come out good. Only thing the juicer it had malfunction coming to the end, had to cut the video short. But that ain't gonna stop the movement. Movement continues. I ain't got no juicer yet, but I pull out the old blender and about to blend up a little banana nut milkshake. One of my old recipes, old secret family recipe, passed down from generation, and generation. And now I have it in my possession. I'm gonna share it with you guys. Alright? So let's get into this here. Let's make this damn milkshake thing. This is your boy Rasta Thomas. This is the Negro Network. Alright, greetings everybody, it's your boy Rasta Thomas. This is the Negro Network. About to jump into this juicing right now, alright? So hold tight. So that's what we're doing here. Turn on the juicer, the blender, make sure it's working. You know, last time the other one broke down. This one here working. So let's start it off simple. Put some milk up in this thing. Yeah. Put a little bit of that. Got some organic cashews. Put a little bit of that up in there. Yeah. Some macadamia nuts, organic. Put some of that up in there. Got me some call this shit again. Steel cut oats. Yeah. Put some of that up in there. You ain't really gotta measure nothing. Just put in how much you want. That's how it is work. Give me a nice organic banana. Everything from Whole Foods. Yeah. Just throw that in. Throw that in. Garbage. So what we got here? Let me get some of that. Oh, I get some of my organic kale protein, whatever they call it. It's just a bunch of dry up organic vegetables. Throw that in right there. Done pre-measured for TV. What else I got? I got some dates for sweeteners. Just trying a few of them. Trying some more. Alright, so that is looking good. Trying some more milk. Yeah. Hell yeah. Alright. Throw this top on the top. Alright, let's see how we're gonna work now. So now I gotta just pick what setting I want. Just run with this one for now. Alright, so I'm gonna let that blend for a while. I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. Thing look like it's blending kind of slow. I want to speed it up. Alright, so while I'm going on there, so this is the milk I use in here. It's almond and cashew milk. Um, not soy, ain't no soy in it. It's lactose free and no cow milk. Using the Quaker Oat steel cut. It's better than the processed one. And I already tell you about this organic kale and other vegetables just dehydrated. Get inside whole food or whatever. Garlic, vegetable in here, what dry up and stuff. You ready to see all the other stuff. And we'll blend some and about to taste it in a minute. The main thing is the steel cut oats just take longer to blend up than the processed one, but it tastes much better. So anyway, just hold tight. Alright, just crank it up a little more. Oh yeah. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Fly that open. Move this here. Pour it up. Looking nice and thick. Hold that right here. Isn't good. You got taste test on the camera for the people so you can see. Tasting good. Could blend up a little more to get them steel cut oats nice and blended up how I want. But we tasting good so far. Like I said, ain't nothing really measure out. You could just do it, add whatever you want to your own discretion, and then you could taste it. I always leave a little room in it in case you got add more stuff or whatever. In this case, I'll add a little more milk, or a lot more, depending on how you look at it. Turn this back on. Turn it on. Alright, let's go. Alright, so I'm blending. I'll be right back. I'm back. Alright. Look like it done blend up good. Didn't break down like my the juicer the other day. It's looking good. So I'm gonna drink the rest of this here and then taste some more of that good stuff. Yeah, hell yeah. Let's put on the side. Finished product, can't go wrong. It's your boy Rasta Thomas. This is Juice Network. This is the Negro Network. Alright, cool.
Yo, I gotta get my mind right.
Hold up. I did forget something. I forget organic ground cinnamon and damn nutmeg. But like I said, it's never too late. You can always add stuff. You can't take out stuff. So hold on. Let me add that. Alright. So this is going to be simple. Put this back on like so. Nutmeg. It's a dash. Cinnamon. Just a little bit. Okay. Done with that. Don't want to add anything else? You can always add more stuff. But for right now, nah. That's kind of cool. We good. Put it back on. Let's go. Alright, and just like that, even better than before. Alright, this is your boy Rasta Thomas, Negro Network.
Yo, I gotta get my mind right. At the same time, I gotta get my grind right. I don't really give a fuck about the limelight. You track it, you can tell me what it sound like. You don't like it, I don't really give a fuck though. You want beef and I be posted at your front door. Like the postman, I turned you to a ghost man. Yours truly, you're the virgin, I'm the spokesman. Motherfucker, I'm the virgin, I